this backpack, it's very useful for airport use, but not only, so you could also be using it to start traveling around the world. It has numerous pockets, so this is very good to just store some items. In the first zipper pocket you have numerous other zipper pocket in which you could put all the stuff. So here you have an RFD free, so you could store your cards there. In the other one, in the number 2, the middle pocket, let's say, you have 2 zippers in which you could store the tablet or some clothes, or I don't know, what do you want to store here. You could store the laptop brick here, the mouse, and here it's another very cool pocket in which you could store your glasses, the sun glasses, the laptop glasses, so on and so forth. It's a very sturdy pocket, so this is very good constructed for this purpose, to store your glasses here, or you could store anything else, so it's up to you. And here in the back, as you could see, so here we have this. So you have for each pocket 2 very strong zippers, as you could see here. So this is super strong actually. And the laptop part, it could be also closed with a small lock. And if we unzip this, you could store here your laptop. So this backpack is a very good way to store your laptop until the diagonal of your laptop could be 17 inches. And it could stay very securely here. You have also 2 corners that could take some shock if you decide to throw in a way or another this backpack. Your laptop, it will be secured. You also could have here in another pocket, so here you could write your details like this, so name, phone, email, and you could store it here as a tag. For sure you could also use some other tags. Here you could store it against your trawler on the airport, so this is a true and as I said, you also could have here the rain cover. So if you decide to want to go in the rain, you could do it and put the rain cover over it. The specification of the backpack are those. So it has a capacity of 30 liters and the bag weight is 4.4 yeah, the specification of the backpack are those, and the bag weight is 4.4 pounds, which translate to a kilogram, around 2 kilo. 2 kilograms. So this is the weight, and the warranty is lifetime. And it's a very useful backpack for all of your needs. And thank you for viewing. I will make another video in which I will fully load this backpack with all the things that you might put in it, and after this we will see how big it will go. It's a very good thing to move forward with. So those are all the stuff that I want to put in the backpack. So a couple of clothes, the mouse, 2 USB stick, gaming glasses, a power bank, laptop itself, and also the headset. So if I want to put the power brick, for sure I will do it in the middle pocket, because it's much easier to do so. So I will put it here in the middle one, like this. The mouse I will put it in the front one, like this. The power brick I'll put it probably in the other pocket, like this. Here I will put the clothes. For sure I have much more space than this to put it in the backpack. I'll close this pocket. Here I could put the headset, like this. And after this I will also close this pocket. And here I'll put the laptop itself. So I will just insert it like this, secure it with this, put it here, close the zipper, here I'll put the gaming glasses. I could put it like this or in their sleeve. I still have some place for them if I put it like this, so they will stay here very securely. And for sure I have 2 USB sticks that I also could put it here. RFD. Here in the RFD pocket I could also store my credit cards, so on and so forth. Close it, and still I have some rooms for tablet and many things. I have here a water bottle, which I could put it here, and here is the backpack, as you could see it. Not fully loaded, loaded at let's say 75%. And what I also love about this backpack is that it has a strap that could be adjusted like here, and this, it will be very useful when you want to load the weight over your shoulders. Okay, if you want to see more about it, or if you have questions, don't hesitate to written them down in the comment section. So if you want to see more like this, please also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your patience. Bye.